Hi everyone, welcome. Today I will show you a amazing tool where you can build your YouTube thumbnails, social media stories, your book covers without any prompt. This is best AI tool. Let me show you first the result of this tools. Here's are thumbnails that generate by this tools, and how you can use this tool. Let me show you. First of all, you have to create a account, and this there is only one option, login with Google. So let me connect my account. We sign up with our Gmail, and here we get 3 free credits, so we can create 3 thumbnails for free, like testing. So what we have to do, let me show you how to use these tools. Here is the thumbnail title, like I will write here best AI tool for YouTube thumbnails. Then we have to select a niche, so I will choose the related. So here is the general, business, finance, education, AI and tech. There are many and many. You can see here each category have covered, and so I will choose it by default AI and tech. And here is the visual style, professional, clean, creator reaction, so I will choose this. You can test this all. And here is the face and headlines. And okay, if you want to add your own image, so you have to upload your face image here. And you have to choose the color palette, which colors you want to use for the thumbnails. So I can say mm, tech blue, or let me decide which one is better for this thumbnail generation. And here is the thumbnail, like a image size, and you can select on one of them. Also have extra direction, like if you want to add some your own words. Let me write something here. We just write our website name, thumbnailforge.xyz, and we will click on the image generation. And here is a few moments, like maximum 1 minute, or around 1 minute it will take to generate a image, so we have to wait. uh, Here you can see our YouTube thumbnail is generated, and we can download it. Okay, and also you can check the image size. Here is 1.2 MB and is high resolution image. And how you can get credits, here in the credits section. And here is the starter and creator and agency package, so you can choose one of them plan, and you have to select the network, Ethereum, BNB and Solana, and also select the uh, currency, USDT or USDC. Then you have to click on the generate payment address, and you can scan this QR code as a wallet, and or you can copy this wallet and send the exact amount of USDT and paste here your transaction link or transaction head hash and submit the proof. As immediately your transaction is verified and you will get credits. Also we can see here our generated thumbnails, so whenever we need it we can download this. Thank you.